Hola, I'm Angela, a modern languages teacher and owner of Lively Languages. Today, we're going to look at how to say what you've just done in Spanish, and then how to say what you had just done before you did something else. Why? Because variety is the spice of life. You'll get more marks in an exam. You can use this structure if you temporarily forget an irregular past tense. So, we need the verb acabar to finish. Here is the verb in full. Acabo, acabas, acaba. Acabamos, acabáis, acaban. And if we use acabar plus de plus a verb, then we are saying what we've just done. Have a look at these examples. Acabo de recibir tu carta. I've just received your letter. Great if you're writing a letter in an exam. Acabamos de pasar unas vacaciones estupendas en Madrid. We've just had a fantastic holiday in Madrid. Great if you need to talk about your holiday in an exam. And if you want to say what you had just done, you need to use acabar in the imperfect tense. Here is the verb in full. Acababa, acababas, acababa. Acabábamos, acababáis, acababan. And so you could say, acababa de mirar la película, meaning I had just watched the film. And if you put this before a second action, you'll sound really fluent. Take a look at this. Acababa de mirar la película cuando sonó mi móvil. I had just watched the film when my mobile rang. And here's another example. Acabábamos de llegar a casa cuando empezó a llover. We had just got home when it started to rain. Another sentence that's useful for nearly all exam papers. So there you have it. If you want to say what you have just done, use acabar plus de in the present tense. And if you want to say what you had just done, use acabar plus de in the imperfect tense. Both verbs are displayed in full at the end of the video. Why not tell me in the comments what you've just done? I'll reply. Or if you have a question, pop that in the comments too. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another one. All that remains for me to say is gracias y hasta luego. Thanks for watching.